In my bear market video where I talked about why the market crashed, I said that one great thing about the bear market is the noises are down, scammers are off the market, and you get to discover great projects you can invest in as the pre-sale that would earn you huge income. I also said that I'll be dropping some here. Let's look at one of them, Everest, which is about to bring a great innovation to the ride-sharing business. Ride-sharing services allow us to get to where we want to go to in comfort without the tussle and bustle of public transportation. Anyone with a good car can earn extra income, and the rider don't need to go to the street corner to get a ride. We have companies like Uber, Lyft, Didi, Bolt leading the ride-sharing services. Now, what if you have the opportunity to invest in any of these companies before they launched? We'll be looking at multiples of return. For example, Uber's market cap is currently at $45 billion. Now, let's look at how Everest innovation in the ride-sharing business built on the blockchain is going to be great for the investor, the rider, and the drivers, and how you can invest in this company early at the strategic sale. Know that the window is only open for a short time. Before we get started, I have to put a disclaimer here. Know that all I explain in this video is not financial advice. Investing in startups could be risky and could also be profitable. Do your due diligence and understand the risks involved before investing. That said, subscribe to the channel if you've not and click on the bell icon, and let's get to it. Everest is a mobility as a service platform for on-demand urban transportation and logistics built on the blockchain technology. Its vision is to be the preferred mobility as a service platform worldwide. To do this, they have identified the problems facing other ride-sharing services and crafted a way to solve it. We'll look at 1. The project, the problem it's intended to solve, and what gives it an edge over existing ride-sharing services. 2. The market. Is there a market for this project, and what is their marketing strategy? 3. The tokenomics, and 4. The team, and how to invest in the strategic sale. I will also be doing a live video with CEO, so you get to ask him any question. Now, the project. We have established that Everest is a ride-sharing service. The problem that Everest has identified with other ride-sharing services include 1. Rising commission fees. Existing ride-sharing services charge between 20 to 25% of what the riders pay. The drivers are left with just 75% to pay for fuel, maintain their vehicles, and take profits. Drivers have come out to complain that it is becoming less profitable for them, and they in Nigeria have even once come out to protest. 2. Expensive ride fares. Once there is a high demand for rides, the rate spikes. Even if you are a loyal rider, you might not be able to afford a ride at these times. I was in Lagos a few weeks ago and I had to pay 11,400 naira for a ride that doesn't usually cost more than 5,000 naira because of high demand at the time due to rainfall. 3. Lack of governance. Drivers and riders do not take part in the decision making of the existing ride-sharing services. 4 is the monolithic payment method. Only one payment method is accepted, which is fiat. Now, here are the solutions Everest is preferring. 1 is no commission, 0 commission. Drivers get to keep a significant amount of their money. They pay as low as $0.25 per ride, irrespective of the ride amount. This solved the problem of rising commission fee and expensive ride fares. 2. Open governance. With this, drivers can have a say, riders can have a say, and the investors can also have a say. 3 is the multiple payment method. So fiat payment method as well as EVR, which is the Everest token, BTC, USDT, amongst others, will be accepted as payment methods. Besides this, Everest is built on the blockchain. With it comes enhanced security, transparency, and reduced operational costs as a result of smart contracts that takes out the middleman. Now, the Everest business model is this. One is on-demand ride-hailing. This includes city rides, point-to-point travel within a city, intercity rides. This is travel across cities. Say you regularly travel from one city to another city in your own car. You can sign up with Everest to get people going your way to join you at a fee. Another is route rides. Users can schedule rides from one bus stop to another and simply show up at the agreed time. Others include on-demand logistics and fleet management. I'll be leaving a link to the Everest blue paper in the description box below so you can read it and get more information. Now, let's look at the market. This statistics is from 2020. For logistics, the global market is $8.6 trillion. African market is $344.56 billion. Nigerian market is $696 million. Now for ride sharing, the global market is $85.8 billion. African market is $2.5 billion and Nigeria market is $292 million. Everest is going to tap into these two markets. In 2021, Uber was used by over 118 million people. In Lagos alone, Lagos, Nigeria, 71% of total trips are made by public transportation. Ride sharing is projected to grow to $242.73 billion by 2028. As at 2021, 221 million people are estimated to use cryptocurrency. So far, the market exists for the project. With proper funding and good marketing, Everest can become a global ride-sharing business. The project intends to generate revenue in two ways. One is a flat fee on-demand service of $0.25 that I've talked about. Two is onboarded business fees. These are fees paid by businesses that want to integrate with Everest. This fee is determined by the nature and size of the business. Everest projects a revenue of about $50 million a year within a few years. With this, they plan to keep on developing the technology, continue marketing, business development and expansion, and also directly make its token, which I will show you how to invest in, more valuable through token buybacks, liquidation, and replenishment of staking rewards. Everest plans to buy back 60% of EVR tokens from the market. To achieve all I've said up till now, Everest needs to raise $1.2 million through the sales of the EVR token. $182,000 at the seed round, which is done and dusted, and $870,000 at the strategic round, which will be coming to an end soon. Now, let's look at the tokenomics. Token symbol is EVR. Token supply is 250 million EVR. Blockchain is Algorand. You can see that in the seed round, 5.85% is meant to be sold, which is done and dusted. Strategic round is 10% and IDO is 1%. The rest you can see here. Like I said, I'll leave you the link to this in the description box below. There's also vesting. You can see that those that invested in the seed round, they're going to take 5 years to get all their token, that is 10% released half yearly. Now, for those that invested in the strategic sale, which I'm going to show you how to do right now, you're going to get all your tokens within 1 year. 5% at TGE, 2 months release, and 10% monthly. Then, if you invest during the IDU, now the token at the IDU is actually small and it sells out really, really fast. TGE, you get 10% and 15% monthly release. So you're going to get your token in less than 1 year. And these are the vesting for all the allocation of the tokens. The token utility includes payment for fares, discounts, governance participation, staking, geo money reward move to earn. So the platform is going to integrate the move to earn platform so that when you're moving, you're actually earning by just moving. If you don't move to earn, you understand this. Others include NFT and Web3 developments. And now let's look at the roadmap. Now for the roadmap, you can see that the second quarter of 2022 is the MVP development. The third quarter includes MVP launch. They're going to get the app to start working in Pohakar's mobile implementation, exchange listing, and this move to earn 5,000 active users is what they want to achieve by the third quarter, and 2,000 drivers onboarded. For the third quarter is Abuja is going to be included, Warri, Asaba, and Uyo is going to be included, and all these for the first quarter of 2023, Enugu, Ibadan, Lagos. For the second quarter of 2023, on-demand logistics will be activated, 500,000 active users achieved, 6,000 drivers onboarded. By the third quarter of 2023, we're looking at fleet management, product launch, and global expansion. You will see all these in the blue paper, which I'll also leave in the description box below. But let's look at the team. If you scroll down, you see that Israel is the co-founder, and Ebuka Okorafor is also the co-founder, which is the chief product officer, and all these other guys. I'm going to be having a live with Israel, so watch out for him. Then advisors include Phil Okorafor, Biobel, Marvel Matrix, Franklin Peters. If you know Boundless Pay, this is an awesome platform. You have the Ogbovu Godson from Transcend Africa Initiative. You have Carla, which is a crypto smart clip. This is an awesome project, actually. You have Samuel Joseph of Light Blocks. I already work with Samuel, and I know Samuel and Franklin Peters quite well. In social media, this is all their social media platform. I'll also leave this in the description box. How do you invest in a strategic sale? This is how you do that. For the strategic sale, the price of the token is $0.035, and the ideal price $0.05. But I was able to secure a deal with Everest team for my community, which is this community. You guys invest in the strategic sale at $0.025 using the link in the description box. So when you click on that link, you fill the form. But this is open for a limited time of 10 days only, from the 28th of July to the 6th of August. That is if it is not sold out before then. I'll leave a link to the Everest website and all the social media handles in the description box. Now, let me share my screen to show you how to fill the form and invest. Now, this is the form you're going to fill once you click on the link in the description box below. So this is the EVR token strategic sale commitment form, and this form is to gather detail for the EVR token private sale. The price is discounted at $0.025 if you are investing through the link in the description. The minimum investment is $100 and the maximum is $100,000. IDO is August, and listing is also in August. Now to do this, we are going to send USDT to this address. This is a BEP20 address. So I'm going to copy this and make a commitment for this video. Now this, I'll go to my Binance wallet and make a transaction from there. So this, I'll paste the address here. Then it's BEP20, so make sure it is a Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. That is a network, yes, I'm sure. Then I want to make $250 for this. Note that what will go is $249 because of the charge of $0.2529. I'm going to add that. So what we will receive is $250. And that I'll click on withdraw. Confirm. Understand. Yep. So this is processing. Let me go back to the form and continue. So amount sent is $250. I'll enter it there. This is also the vesting schedule. Now I have to create, I have to have an Algo wallet. That is where I'll receive my EVR token. So if you don't have an Algo wallet, click here to create an account or to create a wallet. I've done this already. So I'll come and put my wallet address here. I'll just go here. This is my Algo wallet. I copy the wallet address. Yeah. I'll come back here and paste it. Then the transaction hash for sending my token, I send through Binance. I'm going to get it. This is confirmed 0 out of 15. So if I click on this, I'm meant to see the transaction ID. So this is TXID. This is what I need to copy. I copy this, come to the form, paste it here. This is the economics, my email address. I'll enter it here. My Telegram ID. Now, who told you about us? Of course, I told you about this project. Just write my name here. Jude Umeano. Now, how many EVR token have you purchased? So the price is 0.25. So what I'm going to do is to do some calculations. So what I'll do is 250 divided by 0.025. This is 10,000 EVR tokens. So after this, I click on submit. So this is it. This is how you purchase EVR in the strategic sale. For more updates, I'll also leave their social media channels in the description box for you to go through. And of course, I'll give more updates here on the EVR token myself. Note again, guys, that this is not a financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before investing. I will see you guys in the next video.